Delhi, the national capital, meanwhile, has breached the 5th consecutive day mark. The state has now recorded 16,699 fresh cases in just the last 24 hours, with 112 deaths, which is the highest since 23rd of November last year. With a spurt in cases now, Delhi's positive rate stands at an all-time high, 20.22%, adding further to capital's COVID woes. As many as 388 Delhi police personnel have now tested positive of COVID-19. Amid the rising cases, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has imposed a weekend curfew beginning from 10 p.m. today until 6 a.m. on Monday morning. Only essential services will be allowed to remain operational, while hotels, spas, gyms, all of it remain closed. People who are scheduled to attend weddings will be given a special e-pass for movement during the curfew. The Delhi government has now also turned hotels and banquet halls into COVID care centers to increase the number of bed facilities. Now, after Delhi witnessed its highest ever spike with over 17,000 cases on Wednesday alone, Kejriwal government has now declared a weekend curfew to curb rising cases. Essential services only have been exempted. Malls, gyms, spas to remain shut. For more, let's take a look at this detailed report.
आज एलजी साहब के साथ मीटिंग हुई थी और सबने मिलके ये निर्णय लिए हैं कि वीकेंड के ऊपर कर्फ्यू दिल्ली के अंदर लगाया जाएगा.
Delhi is taking harsh measures to check the COVID wave that is sweeping the national capital. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has declared a weekend curfew. It begins from 10 p.m. on Friday and will last till 6 a.m. on Monday. Essential services are exempted from the weekend curfew. People are allowed to travel for medical purposes. The Delhi government is also providing curfew passes for weddings. Shopping malls, spas and gymnasiums are being shut indefinitely. The decision has left gym owners worried about their future.
This will impact us hugely because in past we have also suffered from the 6 months lockdown. The thing is, we don't get any support even from government. We have to pay full electricity bills, we have to pay full rent, we have to pay other miscellaneous expenses. So if you are shutting us down, please support us because we will be in a huge trouble.
The Delhi government has promised concessions to the weekly markets. The traders' body has voiced its support to the Aam Aadmi Party government.
दिल्ली के व्यापारी इस कदम को बड़ा सही कदम मानते हैं, लेकिन हमारा ये कहना है कि जिस प्रकार से, जिस तेजी के साथ, जिस बेतहाशा वृद्धि के साथ दिल्ली में कोरोना बढ़ रहा है, जब तक दिल्ली में 7 से 10 दिन का लॉकडाउन नहीं लगाया जाएगा, तब तक ये चेन ब्रेक नहीं होगी. इस चेन को ब्रेक करना बहुत जरूरी है.
While hospitals are overwhelmed by the rise in cases, the Chief Minister claims the situation is well under control.
दिल्ली में हॉस्पिटल बेड्स की कमी नहीं है. अभी लेटेस्ट डेटा के हिसाब से 5,000 से ज़्यादा बेड अभी खाली हैं.
The Delhi government has ordered conversion of some hotels and banquet halls into COVID care centers and linked them to hospitals to increase the number of beds. The Delhi government is imposing weekend curbs to check the spiraling COVID cases, which are closing in on the 20,000 mark. The administration hopes the night and weekend curfews will break the chain and slow down the wave. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.